Welcome back. Zane has just arrived in the 1970s, and already he's seeing how tough life can be when prices rise faster than paychecks. Ava, a factory worker, is doing everything she can to stretch her budget, but inflation is making it harder and harder to cover the basics. Inflation, when the prices of goods and services go up, affects everyone. Whether it's groceries, gas, or rent, rising costs mean families like Ava's have to make tough choices about what they can afford. But what causes inflation? And why does it seem to hit hardest when people can least afford it? To help you dig deeper, I've prepared 2 Edpuzzle videos for you. The first 2 videos include real news clips from Ava's time. Pay attention to how inflation affected families in the 1970s. What challenges did they face? And how did they adapt? The final video explains exactly how inflation works and why it happens. As you watch, interactive questions will pop up to test your understanding. So stay focused. Your answers count toward your grade. And remember, you can always pause or re-watch parts of the video if you need to. Inflation isn't just something from the past. It's still happening today. And its impact might be closer to home than you think.